Today I am going to be unboxing this new BLT Moka Pot Venus, and it is pure stainless steel. Last month I went on a holiday, and usually I make sure I bring my own coffee and also my moka pot, just in case there is no good quality coffee maker where I'm going. But when I got to the place that I booked for the holiday, they only had an induction stove. So I had with me a regular briquette, and it doesn't work on an induction stove. So there you go. I had to make use of the hot plate on the barbecue grill. Then I realized that I need to have one which is good for induction stove. So I got myself this new BLT Venus. This is stainless steel, and it's also good for induction stove. The problem is that when I got home, I'm now back in my own kitchen, I do not have an induction stove at home. So there you go. I am back again to using my electric hot plate. So this is the first time I'm actually unboxing this one. And what do I see? This beautiful stainless steel moka pot, a different design from the regular Moka Express or the briquette. And it's a little bit heavier than the briquette for sure. This is a 4-cup Venus, and let's see what we have here. The parts are basically the same as a regular moka pot. So we have the boiler here, beautiful, with stainless steel and really very clean looking inside. You've got the pressure valve there, you've got the filter basket. The pot is very tall, and I don't think I'm going to have a problem with sputtering all over the place. And here we have the instruction manual, I think, and it is rather big. So you've got different languages here. They even have Japanese, Korean, Chinese, Thai. I'm going to look for the English version. A lot of languages here, so wherever you are, you can definitely read the manual and also follow the instructions here. Well, the instructions in this manual are very straightforward. I'm not sure what's the hype in all these videos that I make about how to brew using a moka pot. As you keep using the moka pot, you can keep improving, and then you get that beautifully tasting brewed coffee from your moka pot. The good thing about using stainless steel is that this is food grade, and the taste of the coffee is supposed to be better. Well, I have tried some food grade stainless steel moka pot, and I can definitely assure you that the taste is better. My usual procedure when I just got a brand new moka pot is that I boil water with it, let it pass through the valve, and then I brew using old coffee beans at least twice, and then my moka pot is ready. And I have done exactly that, and I actually bought 2 of them, and this one has been already tested. To brew my coffee today, I'm going to follow the instructions as per the one that came with my Venus here. But first, I am going to preheat my hot plate. This way, by the time I'm done talking and I'm ready to put my moka pot onto the hot plate, it is already ready and very hot, and then it will not take that long to finish brewing my coffee. For the coffee, I am going to use my regular. This time I'm going to use medium to dark roast, which is my single origin 100% Arabica using the wash process. And then here I have my ground coffee. I'm using medium to fine grind coffee, and it is about 18 grams for my 4-cup Venus. I normally use an AeroPress filter, paper filter, to make sure that my brew is regulated, and also I get more crema and stronger tasting coffee. So I'm going to use one of these filters, and because it's a 4-cup moka pot, I'm using filter number 3. I'll just dip it in water. Now I'm going to dismantle my moka pot. I'll start with the bottom here, and I'm going to put it on a scale just so that I know how much water I put in there, as well as how much the yield will be. I'll set that to 0. And I'm just going to fill with about 180 milliliters of water. This is room temperature water. Then I'm going to fill my basket with coffee. This is about 18 grams of ground coffee. I'll just use the funnel to make sure they all get in there. Now, because I'm using room temperature water, I can hold the base. Okay, make sure that is clean. So a little bit of a hill in the middle. Wet paper filter right here. This will also ensure that the rubber gasket is damp. Okay, and now to lock it on, make sure it is tight. Put my pot on there. Using the Venus, I realized that you don't really have to reduce the heat immediately. You can use medium to high heat. Otherwise, not all of your water will come out. So even using cold water, the brewing process is not more than 3 minutes. It's about 3 minutes. And you also get the crema. So it is about 4 minutes on the clock, just about the right time to brew your coffee. Now I'm going to measure the yield. And that is about 140 milliliters. We started with about 180 milliliters. There's not much crema there, but I think it's just the right amount of time, 4 minutes to brew our coffee from this Venus. That's it really. That is the first time I am brewing a drinkable coffee out of my brand new Moka Pot Venus. I didn't get much crema even though I put my AeroPress filter, but maybe in due time I always get a better crema. But the smell is good. The time that it took to brew the coffee is perfect, 4 minutes, and then now it's just down to the taste. Well, I think it is not bad. I would say it's better than a regular Moka Pot, if that is at all possible. But if I am going to take this black, I would rather dilute it with a little bit of water. So for this one, I think that you can share it between the two people. Am I happy with it? Well, I think the process is very, very similar. This time I didn't use hot water. But what I like about it is that it actually regulated the flow of the coffee into the pot, and there's absolutely nothing left here, and it's very, very clean. Also, it didn't sputter, it didn't go all over the place, and even though I was using high heat. What is my verdict? Do I like it? Well, I think number one, it is more robust, it looks better, stainless steel. The taste of the coffee I think is also better, but then correct me if I'm wrong. If you have tried Venus versus a regular Moka Express, do let me know, comment below. And the way to maintain and clean is also very easy. You just have to rinse this with water and then make sure that you keep it dry. The boiler, every part of this must be dry before you put it on the shelf to store. 4-cup Moka Pot Venus unboxed. If you have any questions about this at all, do let me know, comment below. I'll see you again for more of these tutorials. In the meantime, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.